Hi traders, so in today's video I will talk about the live trading account that I started almost exactly 5 weeks ago. Now you may know that this is an account that I manage and it is a live account with $100, and in this video series I try to prove that with a great money management and a system that is actually proven by backtests, you can be profitable and you won't blow your entire account even if you are trading with a low amount of money like $100. That is just nothing. So in this series, I trade with price action patterns only, no indicators, and I trade with a money management system that has at least 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And now I want to do an update of how the account is growing, because last week the account was at 26%, and I told you that this is too much. The growth is just too high because that was only 4 weeks in the challenge. And now 1 week passed, and this week I made 2%. So now the account is at 28%. And it is actually a very good growth, and my goal is something like this. So not that insanely high tens of percents of gain per week or per month, but a like a 2 3 1 2 or 3% gain per week. So I think now I started to figure out how to trade with a $100 account and not blowing it, because this account hasn't been blown yet, and it is a miracle for most traders, because with $100 they blow the account like 2 times a day. So if you are interested what kind of strategy I use and how to properly manage your risk to not blow your account but actually grow it with a more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you can ask me in the comments, and I will make some cool videos like this from anywhere in the world. So this was today's video, and you can try out to trade with even $100, and you can actually grow it. And don't focus on the money but on the percent, because if you do it well, you can actually apply to a prop trading account with a bigger amount. And ciao.